Adding lemon juice to the water. Lemon juice to the water. Making spare ribs. Stanley's spare ribs. Let's go to Stanley's kitchen. How to make Stanley's spare ribs. Let the spare ribs sit in lemon water for 15 to 20 minutes. Soak it in water. Soaked ribs washed to the strainer. Ribs marination. I'm adding ginger. 1, 2, 3. A couple of pieces of ginger. Adding 10 cloves of garlic. Adding 15 green chilies, spicy chilies. Adding basil leaf. Grinding for rich marination. Adding some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Grinding that. Grinding. Chili marination for the ribs. Marination goes into the pot. Adding salt to taste. Adding 1 tablespoon adobo. Mix it. I'm making green chili spare ribs. Green chili beef spare ribs. Spare ribs washed. Let's go into the marination. Green chili marination. Marination. Marinate all the ribs. Green chili marination. Ribs marinated. Leave it for 24 hours. Leave it in the Ziploc bag. Inside the fridge for 24 hours. Green chili beef ribs ready to tie and ready to go in the oven. Beef ribs tied and ready to go in the oven. Beef ribs ready to go into the oven. Make sure everything is tight. Pouring the marinated juice on top of the ribs for extra juicy. Olive oil. I tied the parchment paper for the ribs to hold it down, all the juice and the olive oil. placing one more parchment paper on top and cover it and tie it and goes to the oven. It's ready to go inside the oven. I left a little gap for the steam to come out. So this is going into the oven, 375 degrees until it is cooked. Ready to go inside the oven. Beef ribs, green chili beef ribs in the oven. Checking on the ribs. Look at that sizzling. Look at this. Ribs are sizzling. Oh, wow. Making my own glaze sauce for the barbecue ribs. I got some pineapples in here. Adding a couple of tablespoons of hot sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, the sauce is ready. Ready to do some sauce in here. I'm gonna pour the sauce. It's ready. Ready to yum yum. Ready to yum yum. For the recipe, go to Stanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make pineapple glazed green chili beef ribs. Look at this. Oh, it looks nice. It tastes good. Look at this. Look at these ribs. Bang bang.